So I am at the hotel and I'm going to 746, and I promised you that I would show this awesome hotel room, or I think it is. It looks nice here. 746. Now it should be the old city in town. Let's see. This is a wallpaper from old city in Stockholm, and if you can't see, but here and here is the wall, so it's a really big bed. But yeah, so I thought I would show you this, and then I would show you when I get there how it really looks. I think it looks awesome. So I think it's just this bed and this chair, and then a bathroom. Ta-da! Oh, not what I was thinking. Oh, let's see. Oh. Disclaimer. Well, this is okay, but this is a disclaimer. There was all the way around, but it is a big bed. I like that. But yeah, I can look at the old city. It's all the way up. Oh, it's lightning like that. Let's see how that works. Ooh. Yeah. So this is a good room. It's a really good room. Let's see. I always take a shower because I live in an RV. Let's see, where's the light? It was the one outside. Yeah. Okay. This wasn't the biggest, but that's all right. So I will use this now, and yeah, life is excellent. I said to my cousin today, she lives here with me today, not in this one, but I said, I like my life now. It happens things all the time that I am interested in. That's what I wanted. I wanted free time and a lot of money, so I can do whatever I want. And I can. Wow. Let's see. Put down my bag, and yeah, well, I'm in the big city now. I don't know why they have TV. I don't need TV. I need a toilet. Bye bye.